Hey everyone, welcome to Groovy AI, an AI tool that humanizes AI-generated content and helps bypass AI detectors. So, to get started, we simply click on Start for Free here. We can begin with Google, and as you can see, we're already inside the tool itself. They even provide an intro and all that. Let's see if... Nope, no skip button, unfortunately. Anyway, their tool is basically, we have the AI humanizer right here. It works like other humanizers. Paste text, choose quality or speed mode. We get 300 free words, hit humanize, and it'll make content undetectable to AIs. We have the, here comes the, oh boy, the tutorial again. We have summarization, which basically creates brief summaries and notes for us, right? It helps organize structure automatically. What really makes this tool stand out is the humanizer, isn't it? All this and more. No, study tools, well, okay, flashcards and such, well, it could be interesting. I'm not saying it's not. It could be a cool approach. Ultimately, we want these AI humanizers for two main reasons. One, people think using an AI humanizer means Google won't detect that your content, your articles, your WordPress blog, you think Google can't tell it's written by AI? It's possible it might not detect it. Although, well, I wouldn't try to compete against the best browser on the planet, let alone the one controlling the entire internet. It's like trying to fight the final boss, right? I mean, it might work for a while, but it's not sustainable long term. Google's actually said AI content is fine if it's unique, well crafted, shows expertise and so on. Basically, it needs authority, but I won't get into that. Then there's the other group, students, you know. I think Groovy AI might be more geared towards that type of user. Alright, before we check reviews, let's look at the pricing plans and see what they charge. I always say I spend at most $20 a month, and now we've found an AI tool that actually delivers. We're looking at $7 monthly, promising to bypass all detectors. I'm not sure why the text looks so bad. $10 a month, 30,000 words and unlimited words, which is exactly what we're after. $20 a month, okay? 2,000 words max per input, simple mode, standard mode, enhanced mode, and more features. Got it? That price seems really good. Let's check out the reviews now, see if it's well regarded. It's got a 3.7 rating, which isn't necessarily bad. There are some negative votes in total. Well, quite a few actually, about 24% of 30 votes. It says, not recommended, doesn't work, okay. 69% of content was flagged as AI generated. After humanizing it got worse. This was on April 24th. Today is May 8th. I tested this tool on March 29th. He's complaining about the app's functionality, credit counting, etc. Very, very, very bad. I bought it like... My subscription ended on December 5th, 2024. But that's not fair. I'll never recommend it to anyone. They took away 12 days of subscription. They say it shouldn't have happened. Contact them, okay? Here it says it can't bypass anything, alright? He says, it bypasses GPT-0, not necessarily Turnitin. Anyone can test it with just one click. No humanizer is perfect and so on. Clearly, this humanizer might not be as good as others, see? It can detect GPT-0, but Turnitin maybe not, right? Here they say Turnitin can, and here it says GPT-0 doesn't pass. It says, if it can't pass GPT-0, which is lighter, how can it beat Turnitin, supposedly the best? But here they say it does beat GPT, well, it's one word against another. Obviously, as they say, no humanizer works 100% of the time. That's just how it is, okay? But we're looking at a 3.7, 60% positive reviews. I think people get frustrated very quickly, you know? They'll leave a negative review at the slightest issue, which I get. I think it could be a good tool, huh? Maybe not the best tool out there, okay? But considering the price and quality, it could be pretty good. It doesn't look bad at all, honestly. Plus, I haven't seen anyone complaining about overcharging or the tool not working, unlike other tools, so it looks promising, honestly.